Hello and welcome to Glenridge Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about how to successfully do an early spring planting of snap peas using a 6-pack of transplants. And just a reminder, you can check the description area below for any additional information or links to the recommended products or information we talk about in this video. Now, the reason we're using transplants is because here in the Pacific Northwest, it's often too wet and the soil temperature is often too low to successfully start snap peas from seed, particularly if you're trying to plant in February to March. By using transplants, we avoid running into the problem of seeds rotting in the wet ground, and our snap peas have a jump start on growing, which means we get an earlier harvest. Also, we pre-treated our vegetable garden about a month ago with dolomite lime to help raise the pH of the soil. Soil in containers, raised beds, or just in the ground does become acidic over the winter as a result of winter rain and the natural composting process in container soil mixes. And since most vegetables, including snap peas, grow better in a pH between 6 and 7, adding lime a month or two before planting will help raise the pH of the soil. This gives your snap peas a more neutral soil pH to grow in. So as a result, your snap peas will have less disease, less insect problems, and you'll even get a more prolific harvest. Now, our first step is to add a fresh 4-inch layer of organic garden soil. The benefit of doing this is it helps get our transplants out of the wet and cold soil and into a well-aerated and warmer environment. And this is what will set your snap peas up for a successful harvest down the road. Our favorite soil to use is called Organic Eden Valley Garden Soil with Biochar. Biochar helps snap peas to root faster, grow healthier plants, and produce heavier yields. The second step is to go ahead and prepare holes for planting the snap peas. A dibble or trowel works great for this. You'll want your holes to be about 6 to 8 inches apart. And now it's time to start planting. You can begin by laying out your snap pea plants and then simply go ahead and plant one in each hole. The final step is to water everything in with a good organic liquid fertilizer. Our favorite to use is an organic fish and kelp liquid fertilizer by G&B Organics. We use an organic fertilizer because it feeds the soil biology naturally without the negative effects of chemical fertilizer that over time can damage a healthy soil system. Now, any transplants that are planted by March 1st should be in bloom by Mother's Weekend, and then about a week later you should have snap peas ready to harvest. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. If so, please leave us a thumbs up. We always appreciate that. And if you have any questions or a particular situation you'd like help with, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. We love getting to answer as many questions as we can. Otherwise, happy gardening, and we hope to see you again soon.